Hello, good morning and good afternoon, and welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos to help you fix your problem on the specific topic. And in today's topic, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your AOL mail account. So AOL Mail is a free web-based email service provided by AOL, which is a division which works under the company called Verizon Communications. So this is a small description about AOL Mail. If you guys have used Gmail, Yahoo, it's similar to that, but it's different because it's under a different company called Verizon Communication. Gmail works under Google, Yahoo works under Yahoo, AOL Mail works under Verizon Communication, so you need to know the difference, all right? All of them provide the same service, but basically they are owned by different companies. So let me show you guys how you guys can log in into your AOL Mail account. Just don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One to Step. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for AOL Mail and click on the first link where it says AOL Mail. It's going to take you to the official website of AOL Mail. Now, once you're over here, you need to enter your username, email, or your mobile number, whichever thing you find comfortable. I'm going to enter my username and click on next. And on the next step, it's going to ask you to enter the password of your account. So I'm going to enter the password of my account over here. You guys also do that. Click on next. If you forget your password, you can just click on forgot password option over here as well. And it's going to help you guys recover your account as well. After entering the password and clicking on next, your account should be open up just like this if your login information was correct. It's as simple as that to log in into your AOL Mail account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel One Step. And you can also go on inbox to check all the mails you have received until now. As you guys can see, these are all the mail I have received until now. You can go on send to see the list of email you have sent to other. You can go to trash to see like how many emails you have deleted, just like this over here. So that's how you guys can do it. And to create an email, you can click on compose to write other person emails as well. All right. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye bye.